everyone, welcome to the Moon Boots app. My name is Guy. I'm a co-founder here, and I would like to take a moment to teach you a little something about our discussion page. Specifically, how to add a post that you've created in the discussion page over to your content page. This will all make a little more sense here in a sec. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. So, first things first, we want to make a really cool post. With the magic of copy and paste, I've created a post in front of our eyes. Next thing we do is we journey down to this action toolbar here, click send to content. Here, you can add a post to an existing section that you've already made, or we can create a new one, which we will do now. Since this is a tutorial, I think it would be only fitting to land in an introduction section. And then we want to make sure that everyone understands what's going on inside this section, so let's add a description. Cool. From there, you can see we have the option to add a price to it. This would make it a premium section, and it allows you to sell premium content or create upsell opportunities inside of your platform. And then below that, we have progression-based sections, which are gamified sections that create fun and interactive experiences for your members to enjoy your content. You can create a quiz at the end of it and deliver a reward that you design yourself. It's really cool, but we'll talk more about that later. For now, let's save. Beautiful, and then we need to add a title to our post that'll show up over in the content page. So, since this is a tutorial, it's only fitting that we name it how to post to the content page. Awesome, once we love it, everything looks good, we go ahead and hit post. We will scroll down below these pin posts here, and we've just posted on our discussion. This is live. Your members can immediately comment on this. They are receiving notifications that you have just posted, and everything is good to go. As you can see, it's tied to the introduction section that we just created, so let's give it a click. Awesome. Now we're in the content page, and we are actually inside the section that we created with the post that we just posted. If we want to back out and head to the content page, you will see all of our sections that we've created listed nicely like chapters in a book, making it very easy for your community members to enjoy the content that they subscribed for. All right, but you see introductions at the bottom, which doesn't super make sense. So why don't we enter the settings, take our introduction and put it up at the top. And voila! Now we have an introduction section created with a description that lets people know what's inside. And I've added my first page to the introduction section. And that's pretty much it. Again, my name is Guy, and thank you so much for trying out the Moon Boots app. If you have any questions for us, do not hesitate to ask. Head over to the dashboard, enter the support chat, and send us a message. It lands right in our inboxes, and a human will answer it. We're fast. Have a great day. Bye.